All right, working on this 2006 Polaris Trail Blazer 250, and the starter is completely seized up. The starter gear will not spin properly. You know, it should release when you hit your starter button. It should at least open up like this one. Notice how it spins upward like that to engage the flywheel. This guy, yeah, not so much. As well as the internal gear of the starter will not rotate either. You know, it should turn fairly freely. You should be able to at least make it spin like that, see? It will not go anywhere either. So, starter is completely done. Yeah, I'm sure it could be rebuilt or repaired or something like that, but, you know, a new one is not insanely expensive, so might as well go ahead and swap it out, and that's what we're going to do. And it goes right down there through that humongous hole straight ahead there. And there's a gasket that has to be replaced as well. You'll see that where those 3 bolts come through. Not that difficult to remove. But that's what we're doing now, is replacing the starter and the starter gear. As well as the solenoid right here. Yeah, I mean, these are... The solenoid not all that expensive either, and you know, you're talking something simple to replace, relatively simple at least, so you might as well go ahead and swap it out, because this thing is, you know, creeping up on 15 years old, and the electronics don't last forever, so you might as well go ahead and replace them and be done with it. So that's what we're doing. Anywho, there you go. 2006 Polaris Trail Blazer 250 2-stroke. Should be the same on the Trail Boss as well, possibly some others with it, you know, with this type of starter. And there you go. Check out our other videos. We got more projects going on with this one and with other vehicles, other Polaris, other Suzukis, other Yamahas, cars, trucks, lawnmowers, you know, all kinds of stuff. We're always messing with stuff here. So check out our other videos, and you may find something that'll help you out. So y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all later.